Let's get started by prepping the carrots, onions, garlic, bay leaves and thyme. This is a great winter dish using a wonderfully underused cut, the heart. Our venison comes from Round Green Farm near Barnsley. Your butcher will get yours to order. If you can't source venison, sheep heart is great too. This is so easy. Add all the veg, herbs and liquid in the slow cooker for 8 hours, or in a roasting tin in the oven on low for 8 hours and cook. When cooked, keep the rich, flavoursome stock for your gravy. Cut the heart lengthways. Prepare each half into a tight sausage by wrapping cling film and twisting at each end. Chill these for an hour. So, the Yorkies. This is a foolproof method, simple but effective. Mix flour, eggs, milk, water and seasoning together until smooth. A great tip is to pass the mix through a sieve to give a totally lump-free consistency. For the perfect Yorkie, you need cold batter and hot oil. Pop the mix in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes and pop your tin with a little oil in the oven. Pour the chilled batter into the hot pans, 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees, and that's it. Ask your local greengrocer for the best mashing potatoes of the season. Good potatoes equals good mash. Peel, chop, season, boil for 15 to 20 minutes. If you have a ricer, great. If not, it's a masher and a little work. Add the butter, cream and seasoning. Keep mashing till super smooth. The veg you should use should always be the best, local and seasonal you can find. This means cheaper and fresher, and less of those pesky food miles. Into boiling water they go. 5 to 10 minutes. Pop the fastest cooking veg in last. Garnishes should not just look good, but add texture and flavour. Who wouldn't love a crispy bacon strip? A trick is to use 2 baking trays to keep the bacon flat while cooking, and then they stay nice and flat. The broccoli stem garnish uses what you may usually waste, and the crunchy texture really adds to the dish. Chop super thin, deep fry and season. Very simple, yet very effective. Your gravy is guaranteed to be great, as your stock is great. 8 hours in the making. Just add the rosemary and the Henderson's relish. It has to be hen nose. Reduce for 5 to 10 minutes until thick and glossy. Everything's ready. Finally slice the venison roll into 2 cm thick pieces and shallow fry until a little crispy on both sides. This really brings the flavour out. Then the presentation is up to you. We've mirrored the shape of the venison with squash discs. The contrasting colour looks great. Your fantastic gravy links the whole dish together. Enjoy with your friends and family.